All right. Thank you very much for being with me today on this East Lothian kayak fishing adventure. We're actually just finishing our session. There's all my gear. My camera's dead at the front. My van's over there, not far away. We've had a bit of an exciting trip today. The weather's been a bit choppy. I'll put in some of those clips just so you can see what I mean. Haven't caught any fish. Had this little period at the end there with lots and lots of little taps, but just could not convert a fish. Thought I'd try and pick a fish up for you guys right at the death of the session. Oh, there it was. Come on. Come on, commit. Nah. I've got a new spinning rod that I've been using today, and I've also been using these catch and cook kayak lures. So the reason I'm cutting this video together, the reason you're seeing these clips even though there was no fish on this trip, is I'm going to show you some of my fishing from Wales. So I was very lucky to head out with East Lothian Kayak Fishing is me. I was very lucky to head out with Catch and Cook Kayak Fishing Guide. Please go and check him out if you're in Pembrokeshire or the sort of South Wales, West Wales area. An absolutely brilliant guide. Knows his stuff really well, really knows the area and can put you on fish. I'm not going to put in any clips from his fishing trip because I agreed I wouldn't. We were targeting some specialist species in some specialist areas. You know, bass, obviously there's a lot of problems with bass fishing, as we know, and some other species, but I'm not going to put any clips in of me fishing with him. I agreed that we wouldn't film anything, so I didn't. So just because to keep his spots safe, that's out of respect for him. So Joe, if you're watching, I had a great time. Thank you very much for taking me out, and I hope to maybe we'll get down and we'll get a video in a less, or maybe a more popular area next year or the year after when I next come down. I'd definitely like to get out with you again. So yeah, I'll put in some clips from today, mainly bad weather and jellyfish, and then I'll put in the clips from Pembrokeshire and the boat trip last week. Thank you very much for joining me on this video. I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who's subscribed already. I know a lot of you have. We're really beginning to grow a little following, a little channel. You know, please keep liking it, keep telling your friends, keep enjoying the videos, keep giving me feedback below. You know, I take on board feedback quite readily, so please keep up the chat. I really enjoy having you guys along, and I enjoy making these videos, so long may they continue. Thanks for watching today, and I hope you enjoy this video. So, we're in Pembrokeshire. Going out on the kayak tomorrow, but today I'm trying to do some lure fishing. When I look at things like this, I think, well, would Slippy Limpets try and get down there? And if the answer is yes, my reasoning for going is normally no, I'm not going to go. However, today I'm going to wander along here and see what I can find. Pick it up. Oh man, lichen spiky. Oh, look at that. Rock samphire. What a gorgeous evening. and not in my rock shoes. And I keep trying to take wee edges. And in my rock shoes would be fine. However, facing this direction, not so fine. Right. Where will we fish? A little gully here. We'll just fish straight out that way. Let's go for the straight out option. Oh, I didn't bring I meant to bring a wee jelly with me rather than just metals. I can always go back up and get them. Right, we're playing the whatever comes out of my pocket first game we're fishing. And the first thing to come out of my pocket is the Sidewinder Mimic. Now if I were to catch a fish here, I probably will put in some clips on my dive, if I have any. Went for a wee dive here earlier on this morning and saw lots of little fish that look just like this. Let's see how we go on. Yep, good. This is a fish, and it's something really small. It is a fish. Oh no, he's away! A long distance release. At least I got him off, so he goes back. I didn't have to drag him out of the water. Should have brought the light rod with me. Hey Sean. It's pretty small, whatever this is. No, are you gonna go? Yeah, you're free. Go. And he's away. I think I actually snagged him, to be honest. They want it slow then.
Well, at least I saw some bass this holiday. They may be small, but I can safely say that there were some bass.
What an amazing evening. This is the last night of my West Wales, South Wales, whatever kind of Wales you want to call where we are, trip. This is the end, the last night. I've got some catch and cook lures to try out. If you're in Pembrokeshire, check out the Catch and Cook kayak fishing guide. What a legend. Joe, if you are watching this, thank you very much for an amazing trip the other day. Really enjoyed it, learned a lot from you, and it was really great to have you show me the ropes yesterday. So, disclaimer, there's no footage from that trip because we were targeting special fish in special areas. So we've not got any footage from that trip. I did catch a couple of pollock, but I'm still out for my elusive bass. What's important to remember about fishing in Pembrokeshire is there are a lot of currents, and it's really important that you know where those currents are. So having a guide like Joe take you out, you know, really important. So I think it's just important to reiterate that you know, this is about being safe. You'll notice I'm not in a dry suit. I normally am, but today it's just too hot. I mean, it's 7 o'clock in the evening and it's still really quite warm. There's a big back eddy here that I'm in just now, I can see. I just want to be a little careful if I'm hanging around in that. Gotta make sure I'm reading all this properly. I don't want to get myself in a position where I'm in trouble. So yeah, make sure you get local knowledge before you do any crazy sort of drifts or anything. Don't want to get caught out in. That felt like a fish. That's because it is a fish. Fish on. This feels pretty small. Hit it massively on the drop. It's a small fish, whatever it is. Oh, it's just realised it's hooked, I think. Keep the pressure on. It is pollock. Pollock's just totally sprayed me. That's actually. Oh, it's off! Oh no! That was a pretty decent pollock. There we go, the Catch and Cook head chef minnow, head chef lure. I'm not quite sure, is it head chef minnow? It's a minnow, but what is it? The head chef Catch and Cook lure.
David Coast Guard, St. David's ILB, St. David's ILB, channel 16, over.
Getting where I want to be. Just turn side sea on it just now and then we'll just get ourselves spun around. Not that I want to be facing sea either. Let's get down here, get back out of this. So this is what I mean, but you have to really have your wits about you when you're fishing in areas like this. That was not fun. I want to get out of this.